the shoes, bruh. Peep them.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be adding some new taillights to the car. They're pretty common, I would say. You can get them on eBay, that's a hint. But I think they look amazing and we're gonna pick them up really soon. But first, we have to get these removed. These are the stock AP1 headlights that I've had forever since I've got the car. And I just thought that we might wanna switch this up, do something different since we are gonna be adding some more parts to the back of this car. So give it a different look. If you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We make videos every single week. Saturdays at 9 a.m. in the morning is when they're gonna be dropping. But we're gonna start taking this thing apart. I'm gonna get the taillights off. I have to remove the spoon top and everything else. But we'll see you guys in a bit. But Mason and Jamari aren't here today because it's a weekday.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
But I'm free today, so I'm gonna go pick up these parts. This thing is gonna look different soon enough. For those who are wondering, how do you take off the second half of the spoon top? How I did it was, normally there's 2 bolts, but instead of putting 2 bolts, I put 2 plastic pins on there, and they've been holding on pretty well. So I would take this trim remover and just pop it off with this. And that's on both sides. I'm gonna do that real quick so I can remove the top. And we got it off, boys. And there we go. Big old wing, gang. And then now we just have to remove the taillights. It's pretty easy to remove. There's only one, at least for me, there's only like 1 or 2 bolts, but there's usually like 3 or 4 bolts up here. They're like 8 mils. Same on this side. Just unplug all the harnesses and you're good to go. And these are the stock AP1 taillights that are out now. Everything's taken out now, and I'm super excited that we're gonna finally get rid of those stock taillights and get some new taillights. They're by Depot. They're like an eBay brand, I believe, but they're Depot taillights, but they look super nice and they're sequential. This is what it looks like. Everything's taken apart, and these are gonna be the last time you see them because these are gonna be gone. I'm gonna clean up and then we're gonna head out. You guys are gonna see us once we're back and we got the new taillights. Alright guys, we made it back and we got the tail lights. This is what they look like under the lighting. It's blacked out and it has like a clear vibe. It's not the smoked one, but it still looks nice. Got some other goodies like a front splitter and a diffuser. But you guys will be seeing that in the next video. I'm gonna install the taillights real quick and then we'll see the whole thing in the car. Oh God, I can't go in. Please, please go in. There we go. Right here, one. Right here's one. The lights are officially on the car. Let me close the trunk so we can get a good view of it. Ooh! Ooh! It looks so good. Ooh! Ooh! Oh. Let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Ooh, that thing is bright. Oh! Dang, that looks crazy. We got sequentials, baby. That looks crazy. That's it for this install. There's not much to it. It's just a taillight install. Everything's working right now. It's plug and play. Super easy to get. You can get these on eBay right now for, I believe, $600-700, brand new. So it's not too bad of a price. I got them used for a really good deal. I'll show you guys this one more time in the morning so you guys can have a good view of it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today. And we'll see you guys in the morning. So this is what the taillights look like out in the sun. And we haven't installed the diffuser yet, but that'll be in next week's video. Stay tuned for that when we install it. Right now it's just mocked up. It looks pretty good. Leave a comment down below. What do you guys think? If you guys like it, or what other kind of mods we should do for the S2K.